right, Alice, what would you like to start with?
Which one did you want?
I guess green sleeve.
Okay. Just do, yeah.
It's just.
Yeah, 5, and then we breathe on 6.
Breathe on 5.
Breathe on 5, that's right. Okay, I think I would love just to see more from you in your right hand. A little bit like definition of the beat, definition of 1 and 4. You know, but keep it in the box. I think in general, if you think of the ictus, you know, like right here still. I mean, it's better from a lot, but sometimes it gets over here. The 1, you know, it gets over here, or usually it's on this side. So right in front there, and just bigger. Let's see. Great. So that beginning, that was bigger, and that's what we wanted. Now, I'm going to ask you to kind of compromise that big beginning, and then there was something that was subtle about your pattern, which was nice. It was small. They're just parts of it that need to be defined, not every beat, but like 1 and 4, I would say. D, 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 you know, and maybe 1, 4, and 6 actually, because you're leading into 1. 1. Alas, my love, you do me wrong. You know, so there's a pickup. So you're giving that motion forward last time. Keep that big cue though in the beginning. The cues for your left hand, I mean, it feels like you're breathing with us, and it feels connected with the rest of your body. Just for next time, experiment what you want to do with your left hand. It feels a little, you brought it down after the first couple bars, and that felt great. First, it felt like it was just kind of an extra lid. Okay. So, you know, when in doubt, just let it go, and then as you get comfortable, things to practice, you know, how can you show some other things? Okay, but the breaths, that felt connected to your body, those larger breaths in the main sections. Okay, let's do it on this. I feel like you have internalized and physicalized many of the entrances. You weren't looking down, and it felt connected with your body. Okay? And I would like to just look at the middle to the end to work on. I want you to keep practicing. And this goes back to the other piece. Just where you're feeling one. Sometimes it feels like it's just thrown away. Do you feel that?
I don't know, I was paying attention to it.
Okay, yeah, you'll see it. I mean, it's very, it may be that you're feeling it differently, but there's, it feels, just every once in a while it feels tossed away, and there's something about that that was in green sleeves as well. So just feeling secure in your instincts, and feeling where the main beat is. It doesn't mean, really like one, two, but just being conscious of that. Cutoffs also for you. This is, there are a couple that are key. It's the last page. Just do the last page, actually, from the top of the page, starting with the first bar. No. Page 67, first bar. No. You're right there. Yeah, okay. Everyone's cutting off. Like, I don't feel like you're making a choice about where people were cut off.
Yeah.
No, miss. And you can do, because the chem lasts to the end of the bar also, you can show those together. And then do it breath. Yeah, try that. And this is tricky, okay? This is tricky, but things to work on. The pick up to the last two bars, it felt like 3. No, these, 3. You want to bring the 4 back to the middle, and it felt no, these, pa, something like that, and you came back, okay? And there's some things that you could clear about the fermatas, but I'll look at that and write about that, okay? It was clear, all right?
Yeah.
It was clear, yes. And I think sometimes the main thing I want to say about that cutoff, for a final cutoff, it can be helpful to kind of close your hands. But if it's connected with a breath, it can be helpful just to kind of cue the cutoff with your fingers rather than, so this is at the top of that page, 67, first bar. It's just a little flick, okay? And then it's still open and connected with the breath. So it's clear, but you're not cutting off. That doesn't kind of communicate that we're breathing at the same time as we cut off. Does that make sense? Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, my bad. Thank you.